Hello guys, it's been a while. Welcome to the Test Alarm Systems and Electric YouTube channel. I'll begin to tell why I haven't uploaded in almost 2 years. So as we all know, life progresses for everyone, and also does for me of course. So a lot of stuff has happened that has made me not got the time to film these videos and upload regularly. So I'll try to make some more videos, but as of right now, I don't have the same interest and same perspective of making YouTube videos anymore. Last time you watched my channel, you probably saw my homemade fire alarm system here in the house. Now we've got a real Synteso fire alarm system, which is a Siemens panel. It's branded Synteso and it's adjustable. You have some devices here, the call point, and have a sound base up here. A very nice system, of course. We also have two flashes up here that show which building is on fire. I have another building with the fire alarm system in it, which I'll go out to show you in just a second. So if the white one flashes, there's a fire in the other building, and if the red one flashes, then there's a fire alarm going off in here. Hope that all makes sense to you. Here we have another call point on the system. It's here by the stairs down. Here we have the shed, which is connected with the house system. Here's the house back here. It's a wireless transmission that the panel sends out to the Synteso. And here we have the shed system. It's a SME FTP from Schneider Electric. It's a classical Scandinavian panel. I'm not really sure if they also exist in the UK, but I'm quite sure they do in some places. We also have some demo systems in here. We have a ESCO 2 I mean, sorry. We also have some demo systems in here. We have a ESCO 2 that is branded Cosmos. It's like a rebrand. It's a very simple old system, as you can see. And here we have a Cerberus TS96, which is a very old panel. One of the best panels back in the day. You can see some of the devices. Just as I told you guys, a lot of stuff has happened in my life. Same goes with my fire alarm systems. A lot of stuff has happened here. I've got a lot of new systems that I have collected and bought and stuff. So there's a lot of new stuff on this channel that you probably never even seen before. And I'm definitely not saying anything bad has happened in my life, but I'm just saying I haven't really got the time to make these videos anymore because I don't find it entertaining enough anymore. And I don't. Alright, enough of that talk now. Here we have the SME FTP. It's branded by Schneider Electric. As you can see down here, Schneider Electric. This system is interlinked with the system in the house, so that if this goes into fire, the system in the house also goes into fire, but it isn't the same way around. Otherwise you get a dog chasing its own tail. This system sets that system into fire, and that system sets this system into fire, which means that you can't reset it. So first of all, we have to disable the transmission. Here's the transmitter into the other building. Have to disable that. Now that we've disabled the transmitter, we can go ahead and give the system a quick test. Here we have the call points on the SME system. Classical KSC call points branded by SME. It's an adjustable system as well, so.
Viktigt meddelande. Viktigt meddelande. Brand har utbrutit i byggnaden. Lämna omedelbart byggnaden genom närmaste utgång. Attention please. Attention please. Fire has been reported in the building. Please leave the building immediately through the nearest exit. Meddelande. Brand har utbrutit i byggnaden.
And as you all heard, we have a voice evacuation system here. It's homemade, but it functions just like a real one, so it doesn't really matter. A lot of you guys may recognize the devices that are used in this system. That's because it's system sensor only that Schneider Electric has made its own brand of it and just put ESMI on the detectors and on the backside of the sounders and stuff. I'll probably make a video showing the demo boards sometime in the future. So if you want to see that, stay tuned. Now I'm back here in the little shed over here. We have some conventional devices that are hooked up to a monitor module. This sets the system into fire in the shed. Here we have a conventional heat detector outside. It's from Concilium. And in here we have a ESMI KC, old style. It's just a plain old style ESMI KC with just the ESMI logo on it. We have a KC sounder, just a regular one on alternating. And over here we have a Hochiki SIFE smoke detector ionization, rebranded by Multisignal, which was the first brand of ESMI before it became ESMI. Now let's move on to the house system. Alright, back inside. Here we have the Siemens Inteso, as I told you all before. And I'm just simply gonna press a call point in the basement so we can walk through the whole house and see if you guys can see everything. Also, the access control system is hooked up to the fire alarm, so when the fire alarm system goes, the door will unlock. Only this door, the door into that room right here, won't unlock. That's because there's no fire alarm panel in here and no reason for the fire brigade to open this door. We're currently renovating the basement, so it might be a little mess down here, but yeah, currently just working on it. So wet concrete right beneath the call point, so tried my best to film this. Here are the call points. It's a fully on call point branded by Siemens. So yeah, without further ado, let's press it. Here we have the sounder beacon base. And as you can see, the red light is flashing here, which indicates there's a fire alarm going off in this building. And if the white one were to flash too, that means there's a fire alarm going off in the shed. Here on the panel, it displays where the fire is coming from, where the fire alarm is coming from, I should say. You can see here, it's from the call point in the garage, and floor plan -1, which is the basement. So let's just reset the panel like this. And that's it for the quick test. I also have professional floor plans for the fire alarm system that shows which address is where in the house, which makes it easier for service and for the fire brigade to find some detectors. Well, that's about it for this system. I'll try to upload something more in the future. As I said before, I don't really feel the same way about recording stuff anymore. It's not really, I don't feel it like it's the same fun as it was before. But I definitely haven't lost interest in fire alarms and stuff, so yeah. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.